In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ManyChat. We'll walk through the basics of getting your account set up, choosing or creating an automation, and then customizing it so it works exactly the way you want. By the end, you'll be confident creating and launching your own automated flows. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see another menu on the left with a section labeled Channels. These are all the platforms you can connect to ManyChat, like social media or messaging apps. If you haven't connected a channel yet, click on the one you want to use. In that channel's page, you'll see a Connect button. Click it, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Make sure this step is fully done because your automations won't work properly without an active channel. Next, look back to the main left-hand panel and click on Automation. This is where you create and manage your chatbot flows. On the top right, click the button that says New Automation. This will open a pop-up window. In this pop-up, you'll see automation templates that are available for the channels you've connected. If you want a completely custom setup, you can choose Start from Scratch at the top right of this pop-up. If you prefer to use a template, you can filter them by channel using the tabs at the top, and you can refine them by goal or trigger using the filters on the left side of the pop-up. Take a moment to browse and pick the one that best fits what you want to achieve. Once you've decided, click on the template. The pop-up will expand into a larger preview that shows how the automation works. When you're ready, click Setup Template at the bottom left, and it will open in the automation editor. In the editor, you'll see the full automation flow. Orange message bubbles appear throughout to explain what each step does, which is really helpful when you're learning. The very first step is the trigger, which is what starts the automation. If you want to change or add a trigger, click New Trigger. A pop-up will appear with a list of available triggers you can choose from. To edit any step in the automation, just click on that step. The editing options will appear on the left sidebar, where you can adjust the message, settings, or conditions. Within messages, you can remove a block by hovering over it and clicking the X icon. To rearrange blocks, hover over a block until you see a vertical two-headed arrow, then click, drag, and drop it up or down into a new position. This is a simple way to control the order of your content. If you want to add more blocks, scroll down to the bottom of the left sidebar. You'll see a list of different types of blocks you can insert, such as messages, actions, or delays. Click the one you need and place it where it fits best in your flow. Once you're happy with all your edits and the automation looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Set Live. This publishes your automation so it can start running whenever the trigger conditions are met. At this point, your ManyChat automation is active and ready to engage your audience automatically.